Allow me to treat you to a pro tip. If you're currently part of the Cisco Networking Academy, whether in person or whether it's instructor led or whether you're doing it on your own, you're going to want to use Cisco Networking Academy. But if you are an adult learner like myself, you just graduated with your CCNA and you are trying to do your own configurations, you're going to want to choose Cisco Skills for All. I'll save you some time Googling. I'll save you a couple days worth of troubleshooting. So for a guy like me, an adult learner like me, when I click on Cisco Networking Academy, it opens up a modal of what is supposed to be Cisco NetAcad website. Click on login, and it's spinning and spinning and spinning. Do you feel how awkward it is right now? It's just going to keep doing this no matter what. No matter what you click on, no matter what you scroll through, it's just going to keep spinning. Then you X out of the modal, and now you're back on the Cisco Packet Tracer. So what happens when you click on the Cisco Skills for All and you're a CCNA graduate such as myself, it just wants you to log in. And then you get the confirmation message, you have successfully logged into Packet Tracer. We can close this tab. And voila, here we are. We are officially logged in properly into Cisco Packet Tracer as a CCNA graduate adult learner. I don't want to spend too much time in Packet Tracer. There are several modules, several courses on Cisco NetAcademy you can take for free. I've taken 3 of them. Fairly straightforward. Fantastic way to learn about Cisco Packet Tracer.